Could you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling.
Well, good morning, friends. So as one does, yesterday I was walking around my house, kind of coming to the realization that there are a few areas that have kind of been left worse for wear. And at the very least, they are definitely falling outside of the current season. With that being the case, I figured that you and I could put our heads together and remedy the situation.
We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves. Leave our troubles on the shelf. And don't you worry, we're gonna find.
Not always, but a lot of times when I'm doing these little makeovers or refreshes, I try to start with the artwork that I'm going to be used, if that's something that is going to be involved, and kind of draw all my inspiration as far as what all the other pieces are going to be included, and kind of just go from there. So like in this case, I started with a piece of artwork and then I considered what was already there, which would be the sort of walnut colored table, which brought me to the question of what type of framing I would want for the actual art pieces. And so I went with these really simple black wood frames. And then after the artwork and frames, I went in to kind of look for some books that would complement it. I always feel like books are such a cozy addition to either sit by themselves or kind of act as a foundation piece to stack other art or decor on. I didn't forget about the lamp. We'll go back to that in just a second. But after all of the former, I go in with more of the smaller items. And those are usually fun and unique pieces that I like to include from either trips that we've had or just other maybe antique finds. These are the things to me that really makes a house a home and that you can really use to tell the story of who you are as a person and kind of what your family, or if it's just you, what you are individually all about. I don't really know what this piece is. This is one of my most recent antique finds, but I thought it was just so pretty. I don't know. I have no idea what it is. If anybody knows in the comment section, like, what is it? Does it mean something? Like, is it, I don't know. So y'all let me know if you know.
Have you heard about summer snow? When it falls on you, your blood runs cold. But don't you sweat your pretty skin, 'cause it melts away for it sinks in.
So when I think of summer, I think of easy, breezy, light, airy linen materials, flowy fabrics. And I thought about creating this lamp. I really wanted it to reflect the mood of summer. And so I kind of sought out to find the perfect material for it. However, you can probably guess the story. I could not find it. So, I've been talking about kind of going through all of our closets and things we don't use or wear and donating things. I was kind of contemplating different sorts of fabrics I could use. I had a light bulb moment. So you probably know where I'm going with this. With all those thoughts in my mind, I thought, why don't we just make the lamp using the dress fabric? And so the idea was, y'all, I just got Irish June off to sleep, unmiked myself. I was getting ready to go to town sewing when this material popped in my head. I don't know now. What do y'all think?
Can you dream about this very night, when the moon runs down the summer sky? Could it be the morning of the spring, when the sea runs dry and start to sing? Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river you ever feel like going back, but nothing seemed to be a drag? You read until your legs gave way, then you cried and got back up again. And it's real to think.
So I normally wait to put the elastic in until the last step, but this time I didn't really know how the fabric was going to hang, so I wanted to kind of do a little mock-up before I decided on how exactly I would create this particular shade.
I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight light bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow.
Furniture pieces scattered everywhere throughout the house. And with it's kind of coming to the realization that there are a few areas that have